Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're coming to you from the Miami Beach International Boat Show, and we got a family-friendly boat for you. It's the Cobia 280 dual console. Step on board with me and let's see what it's all about. So this boat has a length overall of 27 feet 7 inches and a beam of 9 feet 6 inches. She's powered by twin Yamaha 200s and is going to push this boat 48 miles an hour. Giddy up and go. Comfort in spades here in the aft end. In addition to the power pole, so we can have towables on the back, wakeboard. You want to tube with the kids, you can do it. We have a table we can put in right here. And then we have two flip up, flip down seats. So if you're ready to relax, you can. Or if you want to get them out of the way and fish this thing hard, you can. We have a nice little live well back here. We have rod holders and rocket launchers. Man, you can fish this thing hard. Center consoles are absolutely fantastic, but look at the relaxation zone. Here we are in a dual console. I got full protection from the elements with a hard top that goes all the way full beam of the boat, and I can relax. Here I am in a rear facing lounger. This is a rear facing lounger, right? It's more than that. It's a great companion seat to the helm, both forward and aft facing. How great is that? When you're ready to take the wheel, you can do it in comfort and style. Check out the seat and the upholstery. Very comfortable. You can stand, you can sit in the lower position if you want. I have my Garmin display for all my telemetry. I have glass on 3 sides when we flip the windshield closed, and I still have a nice breeze in here. I have my stereo controls, and then I have all my switching. And then, of course, I have those Yamaha controls right at hand. We have a nice little wet bar back here with a pull-out cooler and easy access to the head. Let's go up to the bow. So I have 2 forward-facing seats. I also have a filler cushion in here so we can have a nice little comfortable seating area. My windlass is up here. I got storage up here. What else is up here? A whole lot of fun in the sun. What you need to do is check out this 280 dual console for yourself. Take a first sea trial, go see your local dealer, and see all the finer details.